Let's kick it. Yes. And somebody is about to feel the pain.
Yeah.
Drop them on, tell me how you feel.
So we'll put one, each one you know is right as well.
Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome back to Niijon Insane channel. So today we are gonna do the flip the bottle or feel the pain challenge. So today we're gonna be using a few pins to put it anywhere on the subjects, okay?
Face.
Anywhere on the face on the subject. Alright, so we have one guest player, a special guest with us today. Her name is Nikila, aka Tequila. So guys, pretty soon she's gonna be having her own channel. So when that time comes, I'm gonna ask you guys to please subscribe. Yeah, so we're gonna jump right tonight. So we are gonna kick off it. So me go be the judge or yeah, go on.
Yeah, so we start now. So over time we're going to wrap paper scissors for sure go start.
So rock, paper, scissors are gonna kick off it. Challenge. Flip the bottle. Anybody flipping on Lanny? Their component feel the pain.
Yeah.
Ready?
Alright. So
Rock, paper, scissors.
rock, mash up, scissors. So Niijon is gonna be going first. Let's kick it. Yes. And somebody is about to feel the pain.
Yeah.
Drop them on, tell me how you feel.
So we'll put one, each one you know is right as well.
Come.
Each one you know is...
You know, big enough.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, we put one back
Yeah.
in the jug and we want big.
You can't hold.
It's a slider.
Alright, he knows two slides.
Alright, put one by your ears and one by your jaw.
If he jug, can't hold it. Alright, you know what? See your face here. Tell them. Wow. Feel your time.
Put one by
Your
your
turn.
nose.
You know what? He told you, can't
Alright,
hold
put on your bottom.
it. You dirty bitch. Run him again, Tequila. Run him. No.
Not
I
him.
just say, oh, Niijon, go on.
Ball.
Come on, guys. Come on, do better. Do better than that. Alright. Yes.
Alright. Put one for your next jaw.
Yo.
Oh, next one for the ears to even it. We can't chat good.
I don't know.
See the frame, you know that one. You have to knock it too high.
So. I would know.
Alright.
Alright, more feel.
Oh.
Again,
Put it
feel
into
the
it.
pain. Feel
One-
the
One
pain.
tap hard for what I'm doing.
Yo, it don't look like you're this you. Yo. Ah, that's what I'm gonna see. Don't be a.
Oh.
It's a party. Yo! Yo! Yeah, what a blow. Yo, come on, oh God. Flip.
Alright, flip.
Nice. Come, load him up.
Top
Two.
lip. Top lip.
Top lip.
I want to your jaw.
Which one?
Any jaw. Any jaw.
I'm going to let's talking. Alright, so, flip.
You know.
Wow. Hurts like a beast. There not a space.
Oh, hurt you.
Alright. Yeah, you must have ear stop. Alright, so ear stop and do it. Ear stop. Look, wait. Let's see what go on.
Remote. Me.
Oh, yeah.
No, that no night. The teeth.
I want to job.
Flippy low.
Alright, you miss a chance.
Oh, yo.
What the hell?
Ah.
Alright, go to on now. I said, you can work on you.
Yo, you are bad, oh god.
Just like,
Yo, look like Kara. Look like Kara. Alright, so that's a wrap, guys. That's a wrap. Oh god, look like Kara. Wow.
Get the elbow.
Oh god.
Say it. That's
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no,
Never do miss.
This is the end of the video.
Yo, so thank you guys for watching, and remember to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe.
I'm gonna reach 1,000 subscribers before March.
Yeah,
So, yeah.
road to 1K. Road to 1K.